Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to copy a file link in Google Drive. Whether you're sharing documents with friends, colleagues, or clients, knowing how to easily copy a file link can save you time and effort. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. If you're using a computer, navigate to drive.google.com in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your Google account so you can access all your files. Once you're in Google Drive, find the file you want to share. You can scroll through your list of files, or use the search bar at the top of the page to locate it quickly. When you see the file, look for the 3 vertical dots next to it. This is your options menu. Next, click on the 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to that file. Look for the option labeled Copy Link. Clicking this will automatically copy the link to your clipboard, making it easy to share. Now that you have copied the link, you can paste it anywhere you need, be it an email, a chat message, or a document. Just right-click and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V, Command+V on Mac. It's important to note that if you want others to access the file using this link, you'll need to ensure that the sharing settings are correct. By default, files may be restricted to specific users only. To change this, go back to the 3 dots menu. Select Share, and adjust the settings so that anyone with the link can view or edit the file as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a file link in Google Drive. This simple process can enhance your productivity and streamline how you share files with others. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Google Drive and other tech tools effectively.